Hey guys, it's Scott2427 here. I'm gonna be playing RC outside. It's like a little different because I have a bag over my iPod 4 so it won't get wet. Yay, let's go! RC. There. Oh crap. Thing's not built for outside. It's a little Chevy Camaro, Bumblebee. Let's go take it back here. There used to be like a big puddle back here, but it's gone now. That sucks. Alright. I know the perfect spot to make it drowned. Because this toy's like very broken. The steering always messes up. When it goes backwards, it makes a weird noise. So now, see? Can you hear it? It's like, ee! Normally when it's on ground, it goes something like that. Please drown. There you're there. Getting stuck in the mud. Oh no, it died. Let's look at the other side. Oh, so it's not moving. I'm trying to find a very deep. Oh, there's an extremely deep one. Oh no, it died! Oh, still going. It's still alive. It's not dying. It's a. No! No! It's still going. No, it died. No, breathe. Ooh, there's some mud. A little water. Look at that. Oh. Come on, go! Go, go, go! Ah, it stopped. Oh crap. No, work! Yeah, I think it's died. Crap! Time I freaking dropped it. Yeah, I think it's died. Oh well. Yep. It's dead. Let's just walk all the way back, or at least try to get to work. I want to see if we can go through that. Dang! It's on still. It's on. Go, 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 go. Go! Pretend that I can go. Stuck. Where's that gonna go? Oh well, that's the end of that, I guess. Stay tuned for part 2 if it still works. Bye.